Hey friends, Wayne over there at Ram Man Inc. I'm gonna make a problem solving video to help some people out in the future. I've talked about it, but I've never done it. So here we go. We got us a new Chinese rotor 5315 out of the box right here. Chinese typical rotor. Remember what I said. It's all that's left anymore. So we got us 4950. Got us another one. If you'll see, this seal is just a little bit big, it appears. We've used some deductive reasoning. Could I hammer it on in there? Yeah. They need to fit kind of snug so that they don't pop out when you're sliding your rotor on. These are thin. I guess if somebody wanted to, I guess you could sand a little bit right there. We have our seal race. What I'm going over here, this is middle school shop, or I learned this, or ninth grade at least. When you're doing custom installs all the way, changing a whole front end or disc brake system or this, that, or the other, we expect those people to have quite a bit of skills. That's why we send papers. We talk about technicians, super experienced, can do this. People that are tackling a custom one-off ought to have the skills and the knowledge. If they can't trim, grind, cut, remove, or whatever, you are not qualified to do a conversion on anything. Now, here's my little seal. Here's my untouched rotor. All I really need to do, it looks like, is take off about 20 thousandths or so and maybe some paint. This is an air tool with a carbide cutter. Some people have these kinds of things laying around. Some people can't even afford this, but most people have a drill. This is a carbide cutter. This probably be $9, $10. Here's a $2 gray grinding stone, like from Home Depot or whatever. They got them in the $1.99 bin. That'll do the job. Here's a little drum sander kit. This is $4.95 at Home Depot. This is a pink stone, a little bit finer than the gray one. I'm making a video, and I just want to show the process. So, well, if I hooked up my air, it'd be twice as fast. So, I'm going to use this 1999 drill. We're putting in a grease seal, by God. We are not putting bearings in my 1,300 horsepower Viper on the crankshaft. That's not what we're doing. We're putting in grease seal. Holy shit! I knew you were gonna be a machinist one of these days.